Hello everyone, today I have all over India rank 5 and he is going to share some of the interesting thing with all of you and also guide you how he scored 715 marks out of 720. That's an amazing marks guys. So let's call upon Rushil, all over India rank 5 for discussion. Hello Rushil, how are you doing?
I am fine.
So how does it feel like, to being a celebrity?
I was very happy. When I got to know that I got all India rank 5, I was very happy. I was so excited. I was in joy. So
Rushil, what kept you driving to get, you have to score in NEET? Obviously, I've not thought you'll be getting all over India rank 5, but still you worked hard, and that too in this pandemic situation. So what was your parent role and how you maintained yourself calm and peaceful and kept studying? Can you share that?
my parents were very supportive in all times. Even when my marks were low, they were very supportive. I too was not very pressurized. I was taking so many breaks, so I was also very calm. So everything went okay. I did not get any pressure feeling or mental problems, so I was very calm.
So in this pandemic, since you have studied, like you all have belonging to an era known as pandemic era. So in this pandemic era, who was the teachers, who used to motivate you, kept you calm and, create some excitement so that you are not getting bored simultaneously studying as well?
All our teachers were very friendly and very helpful, so I did not get that much bored. Did not get bored while during the classes. So I was very okay during the classes. So it was not a problem during the online classes.
Perfect. And one more thing that I personally wanted to know, what was your schedule, man? 715 out of 720. You might have followed some schedule, right? So can you share with all your peers that
While making a schedule, it's very important that you get the sleep that you needed, or it will not be at all useful. So you need the sleep that you needed, the breaks that you need, and should be very productive during the time when you study.
Okay, so one thing that I can come across from this discussion is their sleep is really very important. That we always kept on telling our students. Rushil, can you just help us to know how Sri Chaitanya helped you out to get this rank and when this journey started?
When I entered into Sri Chaitanya, I was new to that whole environment, so I was a bit first skeptical about the situation. So I was a bit, but everything was helpful. The faculty were very friendly, so I totally was very okay at the end of it. So.
One more thing. Before examination, before actual NEET examination, you might have taken some other tests. Can you just help us out? Which was the platform that you were taking?
I was taking tests from normal Sri Chaitanya tests and then also from Infinity Learn tests, grand tests, which were very helpful in the analysis of the tests and very easy in rectifying the errors.
Last question. Do you have any message to your peers who are going to appear in 2022 or 2023?
Accuracy is very important in this exam because the ranks are very close to them. So you should be very accurate and practice more tests, as many tests as possible, so that you can be very accurate in the exam.
Okay, so guys, as he said at the last, that accuracy is really very important and keep on taking tests. We hope that you might have known some of the important and crucial things that will help you to score better in your NEET 2022 and 2023 examination. So till then guys, all the best for your future. Just prepare well, and if you have anything, Sri Chaitanya and Infinity Learn family is here to help you out. Thank you so much Rushil for taking out time, and yes, heartily congratulations for you.
Rushil's journey in Sri Chaitanya for 2 years has been we've seen pretty ups and downs with the COVID pandemic going on in between. But still the journey has been awesome with Chaitanya. The team, the test schedules and the pattern of teaching, everything has helped him a lot in achieving this rank. We as parents were always supportive to him, not putting much pressure on him. We have always been more like a friends rather than parents, and our support was always there with him, and he cooperated as much.